message equals OpenCap EAS feed configuration test message.
Here is an urgent message for the following county, Trinity, California. The National Weather Service in Eureka has issued a flash flood warning for southern Trinity County in northwestern California.
But that's a W, actually.
Here is an urgent message for the following county, Trinity, California. The National Weather Service in Eureka has issued a flash flood warning for southern Trinity County in northwestern California until at 1:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Lowland area. 5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing over creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of southern Trinity County. Turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Service in Eureka has issued a flash flood warning for southern Trinity County in northwestern California until 2:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Lowland area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of southern Trinity County. Turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Yep, that's for this sucker of a storm right here. Yep, right there.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following county, Trinity, California. The National Weather Service in Eureka, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Mendocino County in northwestern California, southern Humboldt County in northwestern California, southwestern Trinity County in northwestern Point, or 18 miles east of Garberville, and is nearly stationary.
Drew, we got an SVR for Humboldt, Trinity, and Mendocino.
Gust of 50 miles per hour. Radar indicated. Impact. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations and tags that include. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning. Trinity, California. Weather Service for the following county: Trinity, California. The National Weather Service in Eureka, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Mendocino County in northwestern California, southern Humboldt County in northwestern California, southwestern Trinity County in northwestern California until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Alder Point, or 18 miles east of Garberville, and is nearly stationary. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Gusts to 50 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Xenia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Trinity, California. Here is an urgent message for the following county: Trinity, California. The National Weather Service in Eureka has issued a flash flood warning for the August complex burn scar in southwestern Trinity. Producing heavy rain over the August complex burn scar. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in the potential for debris flow. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and others. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms in and around the August complex burn scar. Radar: impact: flooding of areas in and around the August complex burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Xenia. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, ditches in the August complex burn scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you Trinity, California. The National Weather Service in Eureka has issued a flash flood warning for the August complex burn scar in southwestern Trinity County in northwestern California until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the August complex burn scar. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in the potential for debris flow. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms in and around the August complex burn scar. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of areas in and around the August complex burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Xenia. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the August complex burn scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety.
Well, a small.
Here Here is an urgent message for the following counties in California, Shasta, and Tehama. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for the McFarland-Burns Scar in southwestern Shasta County in Northern California, west central Tehama County in Northern California, until 9 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the McFarland-Burns Scar. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected will result in debris flows. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose material. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the McFarland-Burns impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the McFarland-Burns will experience flash flooding include Platina. Additional locations include threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and this is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the McFarland-Burns.
What the fuck?
Flood waters. Climb to safety. Move away from recently burned areas. Life threat. Encounter flood waters. Climb to safety. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, rivers, and normally waters. Climb to safety. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, rivers.
Production. And you can't.
Okay, that was everybody.
Here is an urgent message for the following counties.
Literally at the same time.
Here is an urgent message for the following counties in California, Shasta, and Tehama. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for the McFarland-Burns Scar in southwestern Shasta County in Northern California, west central Tehama County in Northern California, until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. In Northern California, until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the McFarland-Burns Scar. Vegetation and other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the McFarland-Burns Scar. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the McFarland-Burns Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Platina. Additional locations include south and west of Highway 36 at legal to the Trinity County line, including the western slopes of Sugarloaf Mountain and the campgrounds at North Beagle Creek, Beagle Gorge, and Basin Gulch. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the McFarland-Burns Scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry areas is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially
It's the third Friday of the month.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California, Shasta, and Tehama.
Yeah.
National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Tehama County in northern California.
I'm not sure.
Southwestern California until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Platina, or near Yalamali District, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source. Urban Platina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall. Platina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall. Urban Platina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall. Here is a
KFPK's relaying. We're relaying off of KDC 57, whereas KVIP uses WXL 88.
room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California, Shasta, and Tehama.
Fail? They're going to exceed the 2-minute limit. I'm literally hearing KFPK's programming right now. Oh, there they go. Yeah, they forgot to switch over back to the regular feed. So you can literally hear KFBK in the background.
Oh, I hear it. I hear it. They didn't recognize the EOMs at all.
Yeah.
They all...
Yeah, their blue box did not recognize the EOMs.
There we go. There they go. But again, I love how they relayed it twice because KFBK, they only gone off for.
And then we have good old Thunder Buddy 01. Caught in 4K.
4K ultra high definition, baby.